Hey, what's up, racers? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a BMW i8 Roadster. This was sent to us by Fresh Fams, Stumbles, so shout out to Stumbles. We're going to be unboxing it and also testing it out here on Tiburon Mountain drag strip. All right, so the BMW i8 Roadster, this is the HotWheels ID edition. For those of you guys that do not know, these cars have a barcode at the bottom. Just scan it with your phone or your iPad. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it looks like. All right, so here it is. And first off, I want to say that I'm a huge fan of the wheels on these Hot Wheels ID, just because it has that writing on the wheels, as we can see there. Love the color on this thing. It's like a nice dark orange, metallic orange. Very, very nice. Hot Wheels did amazing job on this one. Obviously the BMW emblems, that BMW front, and on the back as well. Very, very nice. Let's go to a photo shoot to see how this car looks under the Honeycomb light. So here's the Hot Wheels ID app. We're gonna go ahead and scan. I don't know if you guys are able to see it. For some reason, I guess you can't. It says start scan over here. We're gonna go ahead and start scan. It's ready to scan. We put our card near it. It just did a little sound right there. So let's go ahead and see. There it is. Our BMW. So now we have our BMW here, PR 540 out of 2000, new car unlocked. There it is. Very, very awesome details on this game. All right, guys, so we just finished scanning our Hot Wheels into the app. Now to the ultimate test. Let's see how it does on Tiburon Mountain drag strip. All right, here we go, everyone. In 3, 2, 1. And a 109.98 for our BMW i8 Roadster. So there you guys have it, a 109.98 for our BMW i8 Roadster convertible. Thank you guys for being here with us today. If you guys like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure to follow us on all of our social media for more racing content. Till next time, make sure you guys stay safe, stay racing, stay awesome.